Are you Joey Mink?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see, this is Miss Malfino.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Possible, your client waive the formal reading of the motion in each case.
You will, Your Honor.
Mr. Mink, in cause number 23, DCCR 1851, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation July 1st of 2024 for the offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. And that was a 4-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in cause number 24, DCCR 0294, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. This shows that you were placed on probation July 1st of 2024 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And that was a 6-year deferred probation. Is that correct? Each of these cases, motions, I'm sorry, allege that you violated your probations. Count 1 in each case alleges that you failed to successfully complete the safety program. Is that true or not true?
Yes, ma'am.
True or not true? Thank you. Count 2 in each case alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community service hours as required. And is that true or not true?
True.
And then count 3 in each case alleges that you're behind in your court assessed fees. And is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true in each of these cases to counts 1, 2, and 3 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And because they're all actually true.
Yes, ma'am.
In each of these cases, I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rose?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand if I follow the agreements that you've made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
So it looks like the agreement is for, is it safety relapse or the whole safety program? So it's your understanding and you want to go along with going through that whole program again.
Yes, ma'am.
And Judge, I'm sorry, may Ms. Cole just kind of inform the court, she actually had a discussion with Mr. Mink. We were not all on the same page on this initially. Mr. Cole, Ms. Cole, excuse me, did have the opportunity to speak with him, and I'd like her to relay that to you.
Yeah, of course. Would you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can go ahead.
So I went back there and I spoke with Mr. Mink because he's been acting up in the county jail. When I initially went to the jail to visit him, I told him that you watch the jail reports and to end up on them. So we went back there and talked. He didn't own up to everything, but I told him if he's willing to do the whole safety program from start to finish, starting with 0 tolerance, starting today. And once he gets back in that jail, he better respect those COs. And if not, then he can go to prison at this point. But he's gonna have to behave himself if he wants to continue this program, because if he goes back to safety again, this is it. There's no go back. Once you can only go twice in a lifetime. So this will be his second time going through the program. So 100% zero tolerance.
What was the specific, I guess, safety? Why did he, what part of safety did he not complete?
He was actually at the end of the whole safety unit placement. He was going to residential aftercare. And right when he got to the end, he just couldn't move. He's hitting, he's fighting, just being youthful. And I told him back there, you're 20 years old, you're grown, grow up today.
Yeah,
If he doesn't want to grow up today, I can't do nothing for him.
I can't either. Ditto to everything she said, because that's normally what I tell everybody. And I appreciate that everyone is getting on the same page and understands that the nonsense that's happening out at our jail is just that. It's nonsense. And these correctional officers are just trying to go to work and do their job and go home to their family. And they're having to put up with y'all acting like idiots and treating them with disrespect. And I'm not tolerating it anymore. And so she's exactly right. This is going to be the opportunity of a lifetime for you. It's really the second opportunity of a lifetime. You won't get a third.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
Yes,
So if you want to live a life like the rest of us, out, get a job, have a family, do all those things, then it's just a matter of learning to follow the rules. And if there's anger issues, hit a pillow, hit a mattress, don't hit a person. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, it's kind of funny, but it's really not,
And you're right.
you know? You've got to learn to, and that's what safety's for. That's what these programs are for, is to help you be able to do and be better. And so you've got to take advantage of those programs. They're expensive. We're spending money on you for a second time. And so
This right here is a critical moment. The judge is basically saying you're on your last chance legally. When someone admits to violating probation like this, prison is absolutely on the table. But instead, he's being offered something rare. A second opportunity through the AFO program Mind.
And so we're doing this because she thinks you're worth it, and that makes me think you're worth it. So now you've got to believe that you're worth it. Make sense? All right, so
If I could, just to follow up on what the court's saying,
Yeah.
with what Ms. Cole said, and for Mr. Meek's benefit, as far as the jail write-ups, you're getting safety today, but you still need to behave until you go to safety, because I've had clients in the past waiting to go to safety or ISF, get jail write-ups and come back and end up in prison before they even get there, so. that's for you.
yeah, you've probably heard some out there that's happened too, because it's
I've
been
seen it.
fairly recent. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's now it's a condition of your probation that you not get write-ups or incident reports in jail while you're waiting or at safety. So if you do, it's a violation, and you're going to get that motion to revoke, and you're going to be in here before you ever get an opportunity to go. I'm not going to waste the money on sending you to safety if you can't behave while you're here. Okay, makes sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Can't remember now where I was. State, did we tender? I don't think so. State tender's number one in each case.
Objection.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Mr. Mink is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Mink, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true in each of your cases to counts 1, 2, and 3 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each of your cases to find you guilty and send you to prison, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give you this opportunity, continue you actually. In cause number 23, DCCR 1851, I'm going to continue you on probation. I'm going to extend that probation for 2 years. That was a 4-year term. I'm going to extend it for 2 years. I want to make sure there's plenty of time, get through safety again, and get out and be on probation for a while, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
To prove yourself. And then in cause number 24, DCCR 0294, just continue you on probation and order that you enter and successfully complete the safety program. I will tell, I mean, it's from what I have, there's been at least a little bit of a improvement because there hasn't been a write-up at least in a couple of weeks since February 28th. And so hopefully you're on your path there. Everybody out there should be looking at each other and going, don't mess with me. I'm not going to mess with you, because I don't want to go to prison, and I know what the judge is going to do. That's the conversation that everybody should be having out there at the jail at this point. Okay. I'm handing you in each of your cases the trial court certifications that shows that these were agreements that I followed, and so you waived any right to appeal. Good luck to you. Take advantage of this. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here, ma'am.
You're welcome.
In the end, he avoids prison, but make no mistake, this comes with strict conditions. Probation extended, 0 tolerance, and one wrong move could bring him right back in front of the judge. This time with no second chances left.